Good morning, guys. This is 2 Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome from New York City. No, just kidding. It's only a wallpaper. But anyway, I'm trying to display or fix the display panel here on this exerciser. It's a recumbent bike, and it seems like the display unit is completely dead. So it looks like it is non-responsive. No matter what you do, it does nothing. So it's dead. So we're going to open it up, take a look inside, and see if we can figure out what's going on and if we will be lucky enough to repair this guy. So let's crack it open. So we're going to take the cover off and have a quick look inside and see what we could find. And hopefully it will be an easy fix, because this piece is an old piece and parts are not really available any longer. So yeah, it is not much room to work in here, that's for sure. So what I do is take this apart and give the board a quick cleaning. You can definitely see some corrosion here on the So I cleaned the board and just used some isopropanol alcohol, and I basically just cleaned off all the watermarks and the damage that was on the board, so it's fairly clean. So I spared you those details. But basically you just clean, you scrub all the boards on both sides, and now I'm just going to test the diodes to see if they're okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to check all of our diodes and ensure that we have these working. So we just check one side of the lead, and you see that we have a voltage drop going across that. So I'm just going to check all on one side. Make sure you press firmly on these to get a contact. And then we're going to reverse the lead. And when we reverse the lead, we should have the number showing as non-moving. And this will tell us that there's no voltage drop on the other end, and these diodes are good. So we want voltage to go across one way only. It allows voltage to come in, just like that. And when I reverse the lead, like so, it should not be moving at all. It should show like either open load or infinite, meaning that the diode's good. If it showed voltage going in both directions, then that diode is not good. So I'm going to check all of these diodes and any other ones like here on the board that I have. So you kind of get the drift right now. I'll spare you the details, and I'll check all those and get back to you shortly. So I'm just going to start off here by adding some flux, and I'm just going to go over all of these joints just to see if it's going to make a bit of difference. Sometimes by reflowing the solder, just kind of brings it back to life. See, this one here is missing some solder. So basically we have to continue just going over the board and just reflowing the solder joints and hopefully see if this comes back to life. All the diodes are in check and I didn't see any blown capacitors. So just applying flux and just reheating the joints. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. Boy, it was a bit of a hassle to get inside. The parts it's very tight in there, so there's not a lot of room to work with in there. So I've had to play with the box and hold the panels. You need like 5 different hands. These units are so small. So we're going to plug it in and see what happens. Well, that's a positive sign, and yes, look at that. The screen is on, but is it responsive is the question. Oh, it is. Okay guys, well this is exciting, because I wasn't expecting this. I haven't had much luck with these type of units. It seems like when something burns out in these, you either have to replace the whole panel, from what they tell you at the sports places, or good luck trying to fix it. But looks like this one here is repaired. So it is working, and I'm happy to see that. So guys, thanks for watching. Again, we'll catch you on the next video.